Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today, on the request and demand of the students, we are bringing up this lecture wherein we are going to discuss how to prepare for the CSAT examination. As we all know, CSAT examination is a part of your preliminary step of UPSC CSE. यूपीएससी सीएससी का जो प्रीलिम्स का पार्ट होता है उसी के अंदर दो पेपर होते हैं. वी हैव द जीएस पेपर एंड वी हैव द सीसैट का पेपर. एंड जीएस पेपर इज पेपर 1, सीसैट पेपर इज पेपर 2. इट इज कंडक्टेड इन दी सेकेंड शिफ्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम. फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में पेपर 1 होता है, सेकेंड शिफ्ट में पेपर 2. बट यू नो व्हाट, paper 2 is checked first because it's a qualifying paper. If you qualify this paper, only then your first paper will be checked. Even if you are getting full scores, full marks in paper 1, if you fail in the CSAT paper, even after getting full marks in GS paper 1, you will be disqualified from the exam because CSAT is the qualifying paper. You have to qualify this paper in order to make the examiner check your paper 1. अगर आप इसी पेपर में, सेकंड पेपर में ही अगर आप फेल हो जाते हो या क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाते हो तो आपका पेपर 1 भले ही आप 200 में से 200 नंबर ले आओ, वो चेक ही नहीं होगा. ठीक है. एंड 80% of the students who fail to qualify the preliminary examination, they fail to qualify the CSAT paper only. Their paper 1 command is good, but they fail to qualify CSAT paper, and that is why their paper 1 is left unchecked, and that is why they fail to qualify the preliminary stage of UPSC CSE. So see, you just need to get 33% marks to pass CSAT ka paper, but still this paper is very important. It is not very easy, but it is also not very tough. ऐसा नहीं है कि अरे ये तो बहुत इजी है, बिना पढ़े भी हो जाएगा. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, पढ़ के ही जाना पड़ेगा. बट ऐसा भी नहीं है कि अरे भाई ये तो टफ पेपर है, इसके लिए तो इंजीनियर्स ही चाहिए, हम तो पास ही नहीं कर सकते. ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है. आप किसी भी बैकग्राउंड के हो, सीसैट का पेपर निकाल सकते हो अगर तैयारी अच्छे से की हुई है. एंड देयर आर नो वेरी हॉच पॉच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस और वेरी हाई फाई टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. बेसिक प्रिपरेशन हैज टू बी डन. बेसिक आपके एनालिटिकल स्किल्स अच्छे हैं ना, आप पास कर लोगे. ठीक है. दिस पेपर जस्ट टेस्ट योर एनालिटिकल स्किल्स. आपके बस एनालिटिकल स्किल्स टेस्ट किए जाते हैं. हाउ वेल डू यू conclude, because the unseen passages are given, तो आप कैसे अच्छे से conclude करते हो. how well do you understand what is given to you. unseen passages are given and how well you understand the meaning behind that passage, that is tested. then your numerical abilities are tested. आपके numerical abilities को test किया जाता है इस पेपर के अंदर, because ये सारी चीजें ना आपके analytical skills को दर्शाती हैं. ठीक है. so this paper, the civil services aptitude test, that is the CSAT paper, it is a qualifying paper. aptitude test किया जाएगा because see, if you are applying for a position of a public servant, you should have a good aptitude also, right? because you are going to manage a district. अगर आपका aptitude ही strong नहीं है तो district manage करने में काफी problem हो जाती है. Okay, so your aptitude is tested in this paper, and the aspirants need to score 33% marks. So scoring 33% marks in a paper might seem like a cakewalk. आपको लगेगा अरे 33% marks ही तो है, but the paper is made in such a way that sometimes it becomes tough to score 33% also. But with consistent practice, you can do that. Preparation of CSAT is important for the candidates both from the maths and non-maths backgrounds, and it's very crucial for the non-English background candidate as well. So today we are going to discuss how we are going to manage this paper. Now this paper is of 200 marks and it will take 2 hours to solve this paper. You are given 2 hours, and another important point is you need to score 33% marks. So if you are scoring somewhere between 70 to 80, you are good to go. 70 से 80 नंबर अगर आप स्कोर करते हो इस पेपर में तो बड़ा मजेदार हो जाएगी बात. ठीक है. आराम से निकल जाएगा ये वाला पेपर. And yes, there is negative marking in this paper as well. Both in prelims, both the papers, they consist of the negative marking also. So you have to be very careful when you are solving the questions and or when you are marking your answers. Now the question is how to prepare, from where to prepare, and what are the resources that we require to prepare. Very easy. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, यू मस्ट नो योर ओन एनालिटिकल एबिलिटी. सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपकी क्या अभी कंडीशन है इस पेपर में. ठीक है. Now, if you are struggling, let's say you had maths in school also, but still you are weak in maths, or still you find yourself struggling when it comes to numbers. So in that case, you have to practice 1 hour daily for CSAT right from today. Okay, when you have started your preparation. Now, but before doing that, evaluate yourself. How will you evaluate yourself? Solve the last 2 years CSAT papers and check your score. If you're getting somewhere between 70 to 80, then you are good to go. Then you need a little amount of effort to pass this paper. But if you are scoring some less than 70, then you have to make sure that daily you are practicing the CSAT paper. So every Sunday you need to keep it for CSAT and essay. ठीक है? If you're scoring high, then you can prepare for CSAT before 2 months before prelims examination. But if your scores are low, then start preparing immediately. अभी से आप start कर दो अपनी तैयारी. You can enroll in the test series also. CSAT की जो test series होती है उनमें enroll कर लीजिए आप. ठीक है? You can give 1 mock every week. हर हफ्ते एक mock CSAT का आपको देना ही देना है. Alright. So let's first understand the syllabus of the CSAT paper. We have the comprehension. That you must be knowing about the comprehension, because since the school times you have been solving comprehension. तो ऐसा नहीं है ये आपके लिए कोई नई चीज है. ऐसे एकदम चौंकना मत. I've seen students getting shocked by the name of comprehension. Why? Right? You have been practicing comprehension since your school times and you have passed it. So don't worry. Plus, since the 1 year of your preparation, in the entire 1 year of your preparation, you study the newspaper also. So comprehension is not to be scared of. Okay? Second, communication skills. That is the interpersonal skills are tested. Alright. Interpersonal skills और communication skills means आपके जो error omission based question होते हैं, jumble words होते हैं, sentences होते हैं, तो ये आ सकते हैं. Then third is the logical reasoning and analytical ability. थर्ड आ जाता है आपका लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड द एनालिटिकल एबिलिटी. अगेन इसके अंदर पजल्स आर गिवन. सो योर एनालिटिकल एबिलिटी, डेटा चार्ट्स आर गिवन, तो उससे आपकी एनालिटिकल एबिलिटी और लॉजिक को समझा जाता है कि भाई आपका दिमाग कितना लॉजिकली सोच सकता है. Then decision making and problem solving. Again cases are given, jumble words, sentences, jumble puzzles, all of these things are given. तो इससे आपकी problem solving ability, decision बनाने की ability देखी जाती है. Then graphs are given to you. Your graph reading ability is tested, and all of this really is important in the actual civil services. आपकी ग्राफ पढ़ने की abilities जो होती है, डेटा सेट्स को इंटरप्रेट करने की ability ही टेस्ट की जाती है, और ये आपकी यूज होते हैं एक्चुअल सर्विसेज में. During the COVID pandemic, the data interpreting ability was also tested of the civil servants, and through that they could they had to prepare plans and strategies to manage the COVID cases in their districts. So don't take this paper lightly. Please इस पेपर का ये मत सोचना कि एक बार पढ़ेंगे और जिंदगी भर फिर छूना नहीं पड़ेगा. ये आपकी पूरी लाइफ लॉन्ग ये चीजें ना रहेंगी, और ये पेपर बनाने का मकसद ही ये था कि ऐसे चैलेंज वाले सिचुएशन में उस वक्त आप ही को प्लान्स, पॉलिसी, स्ट्रैटेजीज तैयार करनी पड़ती है. एंड द सिविल सर्वेंट्स आर फ्रेमिंग द पॉलिसीज एंड प्लान्स. जो आप देख रहे हो ना, आपके लिए गवर्नमेंट लेकर आती है, वो सबसे पहले सिविल सर्वेंट्स ही फ्रेम करते हैं, एंड देन द गवर्नमेंट लुक्स इनटू इट एंड देन दे पास इट. So please remember, this is very much part of your own journey in this entire civil services, not just the preparation but the job also. Then general mental ability is tested, and basic numeracy class 10th and 11th level की maths होती है इसके अंदर. ठीक है, point clear हो गया. Now I would recommend you to first make sure that your grammar is good. I have seen so many students with weak grammar, and that is a very important loophole, very significant loophole in UPSC CSE preparation. यहाँ पर आपकी प्रेपरेशन में आपका अगर ग्रामर वीक है ना, तो यहाँ पंगा पड़ जाता है, बिकॉज इवन इन मेंस इफ योर ग्रामर इज वीक, योर सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन विल बी वीक, एंड व्हेन द सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन इज वीक, देन यू लूज ऑन मार्क्स. ठीक है, इससे क्या होता है कि आप मार्क्स लूज कर जाते हैं, क्योंकि आप जो सेंटेंस लिख रहे हो ग्रामेटिकली इनकरेक्ट है, उसका सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. व्हेन द सेंटेंस इज ग्रामेटिकली इनकरेक्ट, देन द मीनिंग ऑफ द एंटायर सेंटेंस चेंजेस, and that leads you to losing up on marks, because in the future you have to prepare reports, and so much communication skills are required in the UPSC CSE or these services, public services में आपकी communication skills are tested. They are required because you have to communicate. You are the bridge between the government and the citizens. All right, so start working on your grammar. If your grammar is good, then don't worry. अगर आपकी grammar अच्छी है तो फिर टेंशन की क्या बात है. Whether you are a Hindi medium student or an English medium student, it doesn't matter. Your grammar should be correct. आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट जो लैंग्वेज बोल रहे हो वो ग्रामर अगर आप ग्रामेटिकली सही बोल रहे हो और लिख रहे हो तो उससे आपकी कॉम्प्रीहेंशन, रीडिंग एबिलिटी एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, they are perfected when your grammar is good, or else it will be very tough for you to interpret the comprehension or to communicate properly. All right, so work on your grammar. Please work on your grammar. Please don't take it for granted. Tenses, right, conjunctions, ये सारे आपके बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होनी चाहिए. यूसेज ऑफ इज, आर, वर, ये अगर गलत है तो दिक्कत हो जाती है, राइट. प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस, all of this you have to work on it if it is weak. Okay, then you have to learn certain idioms and phrases. This will help you not only in understanding but also will expose you to a lot of new words, right. So that is why, because sometimes in comprehension is given and that then a word is given, then they ask you the nearby meaning of that word. So that is also important. तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है idioms के ऊपर भी and phrases के ऊपर भी, ठीक है, regularly. Clear? Improve and expand your vocabulary so that you don't have difficulty in comprehending the meaning of the passages, because if you do not have a good hold on vocabulary, then it becomes tough to interpret the comprehension. तो अपनी vocab भी अच्छी करनी है, and that comes from reading the newspaper daily. Okay, read the newspapers daily, learn the meaning of the new words, see how the editorials have been written. Okay, make sure that you refer to a dictionary when you come across a new word or a new phrase that you get from the newspaper itself. Newspaper में editorials will help you a lot, because in CSAT paper editorials are used in the comprehension passage part. Okay, point clear? That is a must. ये आपका important part है. Now when you practice, when you evaluate yourself, when you practice the past years question papers, now if you are scoring less than 100 after solving the last year's question paper, if you are scoring less than 100, then there is a lot of work to be done, right. Lot of efforts you have to put in. Start practicing daily for 2 to 3 hours, right, for the next 5 to 6 months. Okay, even more in fact. And then if you are scoring somewhere between 100 to 130, then you are weak in some areas. For example, you must be weak in numeracy or comprehension, right, or your speed may be less, which is required. So know those areas, identify the areas on which you have scored less, identify the areas which are weak, whether it's comprehension or mathematical ability. Okay, WEAK. Okay, so identify the areas in which you are weak, and then you need to at least prepare for the next 4 months daily for 2 hours. Daily 2 घंटे आपको next 4 महीने prepare करना ही है. If you are scoring somewhere between 130 to let's say 150, then you may be weak in any one of the areas, or there must be speed issue. That is why you are scoring between 130 to 150. So in that case, 2 to 3 months before the prelims exam you can prepare. Pre के 2 से 3 महीने पहले आप अपना preparation कर सकते हो, ठीक है. But if you are scoring somewhere between 150 to 170, right, then prepare 1 month before prelims. Prelims से 1 महीने पहले past year के question papers को solve कर लेना. But if you have scored somewhere between 170 to 190, now there is no other need to prepare for this exam, right, for this paper very putting in much amount of hours. You can just prepare 15 days before prelims. ठीक है, तो prelims से पहले 15 दिन पहले फॉर्मूलाज वगैरह टचअप कर लेना, अगर ये स्कोर आपका आता है पास्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करने के बाद. बट अगर 190 स्कोर आपका आ रहा है, ठीक है, कुछ बच्चे होते हैं, there are students they score very high in this paper, then stop wasting your time, right, watching this lecture or preparing for CSAT इतना ज़्यादा hard effort डालकर. आप बस formulas को brush up करो and focus more on your GS part. Okay, point clear? So let's understand what is required to clear the CSAT paper. CSAT paper clear करने के लिए required क्या है? First, practice is required. Enough of the practice. A lot of practice is required. Second, accuracy is required. You cannot just arbitrarily mark any option, because there is negative marking in CSAT. So accuracy should be there. And speed to major issue hai hi, because of lack of practice, students they often miss out many questions. So it becomes tough for them to clear this area. And practice is the key over here. Practice तो बार बार करनी है. ठीक है. So first resource that you require is the past year's question paper. ठीक है, 2013 से ये इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, तो इसीलिए तब से लेकर अब तक सारे क्वेश्चन पेपर आपको प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. सेकंड, व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड? प्रैक्टिसिंग और वर्किंग ऑन योर ग्रामर. आपको आपके ग्रामर पे काम करना है. सो क्लास 10th की जो आपकी ग्रामर की बुक है ना, यू मस्ट हैव स्टोर्ड इट टिल नाउ बिकॉज एवरी स्टूडेंट स्टोर्स हिज और हर ग्रामर बुक. इफ यू हैवंट स्टोर्ड, प्लीज गो एंड परचेज द सेकंड हैंड बुक. क्लास 10th की ग्रामर बुक ले लीजिए एंड प्रैक्टिस इट. If you are an Hindi medium student, practice the Hindi wali book. If you are an English medium student, practice the English grammar, but practice the grammar part please. Okay. वैसे भी मेंस में ये काम आएगा. Qualifying paper English and Hindi, English and language papers are there in mains, so it will help you there also. But please practice yaar. Okay. And read the newspaper, specifically the editorials daily without fail. रोज editorials पढ़ने हैं. Every day. You have to study the editorials. Okay. Then fourth important point over here is you can purchase Cracking the CSAT Paper 2 by Arihant Publication. This is wonderful book. It will help you a lot in your daily practice. If you are weak in CSAT, please get this book. Daily practice one set of chapter from this book. It's going to help you a lot. ठीक है, you have to practice this particular book. ये बहुत important है. And for the comprehension part, अगर आप कॉम्प्रीहेंशन पार्ट में थोड़ा सा लैक कर रहे हो, इफ यू आर लैकिंग इन द कॉम्प्रीहेंशन पार्ट, यू हैव टू सॉल्व द पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज यू कैन परचेज दिस बुक. दिस इज कंसाइज CSAT बाय मधुकर भगत. ओके, इफ यू आर वीक इन कॉम्प्रीहेंशन, दिस इज बाय द TMH पब्लिकेशंस. जो TMH पब्लिकेशंस है उनकी ये बुक है मधुकर भगत सर की. ठीक है, कंसाइज CSAT by Madhukar Bhagat. You can get this book only if you are weak in comprehension. If you are not weak in comprehension, this part is good to go. Then no need to purchase this book. Alright, to sharpen and improve your comprehension skills, this book is really important. काफी important है ये book. Plus, if you are reading the editorials daily, then you are already building up your comprehension part. Okay, so you can get that get this one. Alright, and another important point is, now, do you know about the Sleepy IAS YouTube channel? This is the channel Sleepy IAS. If you know about this YouTube channel, here they publish the CSAT free lectures on CSAT also. So you can subscribe to this channel as well. जहाँ पर आपको free lectures CSAT के मिल जाएंगे. इनको भी आप पढ़ सकते हो. काफी helpful होते हैं. On YouTube, if you are looking for free lectures, I would recommend these two lectures. CSAT Aptitude by Sanjay Kumar Shah on Let's Crack UPSC CSE channel, and second this one. This is going to make your foundation strong in CSAT. इससे क्या होगा, इस किताब से आपके foundation strong होंगे. 30-day basic CSAT course by Amit Garg sir. This is a wonderful playlist. There are 30 lectures in this playlist. You can watch these 30 lectures and they are going to help you a lot in building your basics. If your basics are weak, अगर बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बेसिक्स वीक है तो आप इस लेक्चर से अपना बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हो. एंड रेस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस, प्री प्रैक्टिस करनी है तो CSAT एप्टीट्यूड बाय संजय कुमार शाह, ऑल बिकॉज ही इज फ्रॉम IIT दिल्ली. सो यहाँ से आपको काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स और फॉर्मूलाज और इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स मिल जाएंगे आपके CSAT के. आई शो यू द फुल प्ले लिस्ट ऑल्सो ओवर हियर. यू कैन सी लेक्चर 1, लेक्चर 2 आप इसमें देख सकते हो. 67 लेक्चर्स हैं. डेली ही इज टेकिंग क्लासेस ऑन परम्यूटेशन, कॉम्बिनेशन, ट्रेन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, time, speed, distance, तो कैलेंडर, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो ही इज सॉल्विंग. रीजनिंग के, आपके न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटीज के, एप्टीट्यूड के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस भी ये सॉल्व कराते हैं. ठीक है, एप्टीट्यूड बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, ऑल ऑफ दिस ही इज सॉल्विंग. सो यू कैन वॉच हिज लेक्चर्स एज वेल. ऑलराइट, these two are going to help you a lot if you cannot afford a coaching for CSAT, or if you are not getting the correct coaching for CSAT, then you can watch these lectures on this YouTube channel. Now, last but not the least, here is a very important and very wonderful chance for all of you. Unacademy is conducting All India Free Scholarship Test, which is a mega combat. Here, even if you participate, you are going to, 250 lucky participants are going to win Amazon gift vouchers worth ₹5,000. Plus, if you score a rank, you will get MacBook Air, iPad, Samsung Mobile, and the Amazon gift vouchers. So, यहाँ पर, it has been noted that every Sunday this combat is, conducted since the last 2 years. And 30% of UPSC Prelims 2022 MCQs had similarity with the combat questions. जो combat में questions पूछे जाते हैं अनअकैडमी के द्वारा। अभी प्री का जो 2022 का क्वेश्चन पेपर आया था 30% क्वेश्चन सेम टू सेम थे कॉम्बैट के क्वेश्चन से, ठीक है। सो एंड प्लस दी 23 यूपीएससी 2021 टॉपर्स, दे आल्सो एडमिटेड दैट दे वर रेगुलर यूजर्स and participants of the combat. So this is a pre-scholarship test, which basically it's a prelims ka mock test for you which is conducted. So it is now going to be conducted on 26th June at 11 AM in the morning. It's a live test, तो आपको live अपने results और solutions मिलते हैं। 1 घंटे का ही test है, 50 questions will be asked. So make sure that you join this combat. You can use my code for joining this combat also, Arpita 10. The link is given below in the description box as well.